Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Here is a situation. Imagine you're planning to buy a new car. You know the total loan amount, the interest rate, and how many years you want to pay it off. But how do you figure out your monthly payment before walking into the bank? This is exactly where Excel's PMT function saves the day. I've got a simple example here. You want to borrow $25,000 for a new car. The bank offers you an annual rate of 5%, and you'll pay it off over 5 years. So, how do you find out your monthly payment before you commit? To solve this, we will use the PMT function. We will divide 5% by 12 to convert it to the annual rate to monthly. We will multiply 5 years by 12 to calculate the total repayment months. And the loan amount is negative because it's money going out. So we can multiply it by -1. Here you go. Excel tells you exactly how much you'll pay each month. This is perfect for car loans, mortgages, student loans. Anytime you want to run the numbers yourself, try it with my own figures and know what to expect. If this quick financial tip helped you, hit subscribe and stay tuned. The next 30 days are packed with real-world financial Excel tutorials. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.